Hello friends, salut mes amis. Welcome to my channel all about life and French core. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne all about life and French core.
Today we will learn conjugation of IR verbs, which belongs to second group of verbs. First one is finir, which means to finish. We will conjugate it as je finis, tu finis, il or elle finit. Then it's nous finissons, vous finissez, il or elle finissent. Then it's choisir, which means to choose. We will conjugate it as je choisis, tu choisis, il or elle choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, il or elle choisissent. Keep in mind the conjugation of IR verbs with nous, vous, il or elle in plural. Rest of the conjugation is same. You will use the rule of S, S, T. As you can check over here, we will add S, S, T, double S, O, N, S, double S, E, Z, double S, E, N, T. Now try conjugating these IR verbs.
You can ask your doubts in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Today's key sentence is comment vous appelez-vous, which means what's your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? This is used in formal language.
Merci. À bientôt.